Hi, good afternoon. Thanks for tuning in. Wasim here on Your Next Cars YouTube channel, presenting you a short video of this gorgeous 2020 BMW X3 we have in. 2 litre diesel, X-Drive, 8-speed automatic, 57,000 miles, one owner from new, just serviced by us, ready to go. Some fantastic styling upgrades and some lovely factory options which I'll talk you through. First thing you'll see is the colour, black sapphire, as opposed to the carbon black, which is more like a blue, so this is like a deep black. You'll see the quad diffuser fitted in-house, functioning exhaust tips, rear spoiler, upgraded 20-inch wheels with brand new tyres, sidebars, privacy glass to the rear, upgraded mirror caps. You'll see the side vent upgrade as well. Front splitter, LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors, reversing camera, heated black leather seats, Apple CarPlay, touchscreen, professional widescreen navigation system, cruise control, automatic headlights, electric folding mirrors as well. This one's got the tech pack, so it benefits from having the Harman Kardon sound system, full digital display as well, head-up display, touchscreen infotainment system. Let's have a quick look at the service history. Just been done by us. Next one due in 14,000 miles. We've got the maps and a whole host of things on there. Ambient lighting, these gorgeous black leather seats in really good order. HP and PCP is available. Part exchange very welcome. Please give us a call. Thank you.